I don't know why the. I think yeah, this is the front-facing camera. I don't know why is it like that. Anyways, this is our second unboxing. Nung una hindi ako nag-video for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Sabi ko para makabili ng iPhone. Bumili nga tayo pero nabasag and have the same kung paano natin siya nabili. And here, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Unboxing na wala pa yung SIM. So, yeah. So, may mga fragile na banda. Mm-hmm. Okay. Sounds like anything. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oops. Oops. There's still one here. I'm sorry. I think we're gonna make tago this one. Fragile. So, yeah, fragile. I think we're just gonna open it here. Sorry. Sorry. This is our iPhone. Whew, habulin. Tingnan natin kung grabe. Good as new. Yeah, good as new. So, I'm not gonna drop that or something. Wala din talaga dito yung SIM card. I don't know where that SIM card is. So, andito lang yung SIM card. Wala din dito. Overall, wala talaga yung SIM card. Yeah, I don't know where the SIM card go, but wala talaga dito yung SIM card. So, yeah. So, we're just gonna, since walang SIM card, wala. Thank you.